The 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten sets a new bar for luxury trucks. Ram has taken the pickup world by storm with the unveiling of the 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten trim, an ultra-luxury level that redefines what it means to travel in premium style. This new top-of-the-line trim ushers in a host of innovations and appointments that make the Tungsten the most advanced Ram 1500 ever. Under the hood lies Ram's all-new twin-turbocharged 3-liter straight-six Hurricane engine, delivering a best-in-class 420 horsepower and 469 pound-feet of torque in the standard version. Opt for the high-output variant, and you'll get a mammoth 540 horses and 521 pound-feet of stump-pulling torque, the highest figures ever for a Ram pickup. This powerplant provides V8 rivaling performance while boosting efficiency over the outgoing V8 engines. The Tungsten's interior is dressed to impress, with Natura Plus leather covering the 24-way adjustable front seats with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Suede adorns the headliner and upper interior panels for an ultra-luxurious feel. The embroidered tungsten badge on the console, featuring the truck's unique VIN, nods to the trim's exclusivity. An audiophile-grade 23-speaker Klipsch audio system envelops occupants in brilliant sound. The cabin itself is artfully insulated from outside noise, making it a serene space. Exterior updates include a larger, more upright grille design flanked by narrow premium LED headlamps. Sharper character lines and body sculpting give the Tungsten an athletic, modern personality. New LED taillights retain the signature Ram identity while receiving a fresh look. Cutting-edge tech headlines the Tungsten's upgrades. A 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster relays vital information to the driver, while a massive 14.5-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen anchors the center stack. And for the first time, a 10.25-inch touchscreen display in front of the passenger lets them interact with the Ram systems without distraction to the driver. Over-the-air updates ensure the pickup remains at the forefront of innovation. Convenience is enhanced by dual phone wireless charging pads and a power tailgate with trailer hitch camera. The Tungsten can be equipped with Ram's latest ADAS features for added safety and driver assistance. These include automatic emergency braking, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and adaptive cruise control. To deliver the best ride and handling, Ram fits the Tungsten with an adjustable four-corner air suspension, providing load leveling capability and selectable ride height settings for on- and off-road conditions. Power gets planted through an available heavy-duty rear axle with robust electric locking differential and choice of gear ratios to match towing/hauling needs. Four-wheel drive models gain a 2-speed transfer case for low-range crawling. The 2025 Ram 1500 Tungsten represents a quantum leap forward in luxury, refinement, and technology for Ram trucks. It brings new levels of passenger comfort, connectivity, and capability without compromising the brand's workhorse truck heritage. The Tungsten shows Ram is serious about delivering a truly world-class pickup for buyers looking to travel in first-class style. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.